So see what I did, measuring from here to here, 28. When I take the 28 and I bring it here to give me 54.5. So I'll be minusing my 47.5 from here. So this one now is 54.5. So when I minus, see, 54.5 minus 47.5 will be giving us will be giving us 7. So we're giving us 7. You understand? Sorry. Yes, to be giving us 7 centimeters. So I'll be dating with 7. So I will distribute the 7 in this place now, this both place, so that I've extended my bust to bust pan measurement, which is 22 centimeter. Half of it is 11. So I'll be imputing the same measurements here. It's my bust pan measurement, because that's the point where I will be dating. You get? That's where I'll be creating my dart. You get? So this is it. I'm putting it at the back also. So now my 7, I want to distribute it. If I put 3 here, to be remaining 4, I put 1 and 1 here, to be remaining 2. Then I put 1 here and I put 1 here. You understand? I want to distribute my dart now. So I'll come here, put 1.5 here and put 1.5 here. This is how to distribute that. I'll come here, sharpen my side with 1 centimeter. Your darts might be too small not to get to this place. I'm doing this now because my dart is a bit, you understand? I'm putting 1 here, then I'm putting 1 here. Remember that the best part of our body, at our back, you understand, that place that is deep, this one will help to curve in to that place. You understand? So this is it. I'm putting that here now so that it will fit into that curve. I've darted this back, so I'll be darting this one. What I will do here, I'll get 14, 15. You understand? So see my dart, my waistline here. This lanty line is my waistline. This second one, sorry, this second one is my waistline. That's where I'll be doing everything. So from here now we go 14 and 15. So watch how I'm doing it. This back is not much. I put just 1 at the back. Don't put all your darts in front. Distribute it so that you sharpen your garment very well. So you see where I am starting my curve here, because I have fullness at the bust. I will not start from the bust. So you see, I will come here too and do the same thing. I darted here with 3 centimeter. You see it? So I'm done darting our basic bodice. See how it looks like? Now you can use it for whatever you want to use it for. There still is, remember there is 2.5 is here, you get. So when we come back, we'll be contouring. I'm coming right back to contour. Remember, I promised us I'm going to be breaking it step by step, so that stages by stages, step by step, so that it will not be cumbersome. I know the calculations are making it difficult, but it is not, trust me. So stay right back. We are coming to do our contouring. You know, after contouring, we'll get our bustier from the contouring. Thank you. Okay, so we are back. I told us that in this class we'll be doing contouring. Contouring means removing the ease we added to our basic bodies. You understand? These basic bodies now, you can use it to create your shirts, your blazers, you understand, free top. With those ease will just give you a little bit allowance. You understand? There's ease in the hip, there's ease here at the waist. You understand? The bust and on the bust, they are not contoured. So, but at this point now, if we want to create a bustier, a corset, a fitted dress, maybe wedding dresses and all those closely fitted garments, this will not work for it. We have to contour it. We have to remove those ease. So that is what we are going to be doing in this section now. So we remember that when we were calculating the hip, that I added 3 centimeter. You understand? We are going to be removing the 3 centimeter. We just did our waist tightening and our waist darting, and I added 2.5. We are going to be removing it. This is our under bust. We are going to be imputing the actual measurement of our under bust to get it fitted. This is our bust point. So we are going to be doing all this, and that is what contouring is all about. Okay, so let's get right into it. So here now, remember we added 3 centimeter. We'll be removing the 3 centimeter. Boom. Here we added 2.5. We'll be removing the 2.5. So before we go further, we are going to be doing a calculation, and that is just to tighten our under bust. My under bust is 8 centimeter, and here we are having, this is my under bust. Here, this is my under bust. This here is my under bust. So the measurement here now is 28 minus this dart here. This dart is almost 2. You understand? But let me just do it like this so that it doesn't confuse us. 10 here. That is 26.5. Removing this dart here. Understand? So, but my under bust is 88 centimeter. 88 divided by 2 is 22. So we'll be removing 22 from this 26.5 here. 26.5 minus 22 is going to be giving us 4.5. So I will come here now. I will not remove all the 4.5 here. I will remove some here. Smaller part of it here. You understand? So I'll be removing 3.5 here. I'll be removing 1 here. 3.5 plus 1 is look at it, 3.5 here. So I'll connect this to this and this to this. You understand? To form a dart leg now. So see, this to this, this to this. Then I'll be connecting this one to this one. So this one now to this one now. And I'll be connecting this to this. Zoom your camera, please. So this is it now. See what I did. I've connected this to this and this to this. So now I'm going to be connecting this dart leg to. We are not contouring our bust points. You understand? So we are connecting to it. So now you determine what you want. I want a princess dart from the under bust. If it's from here, you can connect from here to here. For me, I want my own to be coming from the under bust, exactly from this my chest line. It can come from here to here. It can come from here to here. You understand? It can come from wherever, but this is where I want mine to come from, to start from. You understand? From here to here. You see now the princess dart is being formed. Then I will take this French curve now, and I will curve it to give, because I am not pointed at that area, to give it that bust. You see how it's looking. Let me. Can you see my bustier? Can you see my bustier? Now I can create my blazers. I mean, no, not my bustier top, my corset, my bustier corset. Even if it's a cup corset I'm doing, the video is in my this thing. I can come here, create my corset. This now is like, this now can create other things, but this is a basic bustier. Let's just put it that way. Understand? This is my bustier. I've contoured out all the excesses. If I happen to sew this now, it will give me a fitted dress. You understand? To give me a fitted dress. So this is how we create a bustier. Remember, I told us that if we want it, if we want the princess had to start from here, we can root to here. If we wanted to start from here, we can root to here. But me, I wanted here, so that's why I got to this place. And you see, my princess, that my bustier is okay now. So sorry, that is something I didn't show us in the basic bodies, and that is darting this. This is not my actual size. This is not my actual measurement in my basic, in my shoulder. My shoulder is 14, but here is 16. So I'll be darting it with 2. I'll be darting my shoulder with 2. You understand? I'll be darting my shoulder with 2. You understand? So this is 16 minus 2 will be giving me my 14. Excuse me. So I'll come down by 7 centimeter. Understand? So that when I dart this, to give me my exact shoulder measurements. Sorry, I made a mistake. It would have been included in the basic body. So now, if I want, somebody will say, so how do I remove it? You can add it to this place. You understand? You can just connect it to here when you're doing your princess darts, and cut off this place. You understand? Just connect this to this with a straight line, then you cut off this place. So when you're joining, you join from here to here. You join from here, this leg to this leg. Thank you very much for staying put. Tomorrow we'll be continuing again, but we are going to be extending this to a dress, to see how we use our basic body to form a dress. You understand? Like a dress from our shoulder to our nail. You understand? You see how we use it to form a dress. Thank you.